I ended up going with the DualLiner for my 2017 F150. I chose this over spraying because I use my bed a lot and I feel that the roughness of a spray-in scratches and scuffs things way easier. I like that this had the thicker bed mat in it with bumps, so it helps with drainage. I also like the cutouts in it for the lights. Super easy to install. Started with the back panel and then did the two side panels and reinstalled my hardware from Ford. My only thing I don't like is right here. You have to tuck underneath your Ford top bed liners. I feel like it pushes them up a little bit. You can see a little better on this one. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this. DualLiner sent it out right away. I had to go on a hunting trip and I wanted to have it in my truck before the trip, and that ended up happening. So made in USA, and can't wait to get more use out of it.